If you're looking to promote your partner program effectively, PartnerStack is one of the best tools out there. And in this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage its full potential. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to set up and run a successful partner program with some exclusive bonuses only available through the link below. PartnerStack makes it easy to onboard, manage, and scale your partner program, whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategy. The platform connects with your existing tech stack and lets you track affiliate performance all in one place. So let's dive into how you can start promoting your partner program using PartnerStack to drive results. First, you need to create a seamless onboarding experience for your partners. PartnerStack's interface is super user-friendly, allowing you to set up automated workflows for new affiliates. You can add custom welcome emails, provide training materials, and create clear steps for your partners to follow once they join your program. This ensures your partners are not only onboarded quickly, but also start promoting with the right knowledge. Once your program is set up, PartnerStack gives you all the tools to promote it effectively. You can integrate with popular tools like Zapier, Google Analytics, and Stripe, which means you can track conversions and manage payouts in real time. This level of integration ensures that everything is running smoothly behind the scenes while you focus on scaling the program. Now, let's talk about your partner dashboard. One of the best features of PartnerStack is the ability to track your partner's performance easily. With a few clicks, you can view their metrics, clicks, signups, and revenue generated. Not only does this give you transparency, but it also helps you identify high-performing partners so you can reward them appropriately. Regularly checking these metrics will help you optimize your program by identifying top performers and areas for improvement. Another powerful feature is the ability to automate your payouts. PartnerStack lets you set up automatic payment schedules based on your program's terms. This feature reduces the manual work and ensures that your partners get paid on time, every time. This builds trust and incentivizes partners to promote your program more actively. PartnerStack also supports multi-tiered programs. This means you can create different levels of partners, each with their own incentives and commission structures. This is particularly useful if you're working with both influencers and larger affiliates, allowing you to customize payouts based on their level of contribution. Multi-tiered programs increase engagement and make your program attractive to a wide range of potential partners. Promoting your program within the PartnerStack marketplace can also help attract new affiliates. It's a great way to get discovered by affiliates who are looking for programs to promote. Plus, PartnerStack's easy-to-use tools make it easy to share your program with your network, making it simple for partners to sign up and start promoting right away. Finally, use the insights and data provided by PartnerStack to continuously refine your strategy. The software allows you to dig deep into data, helping you understand which marketing channels are performing best, where your partners are coming from, and what type of content drives the most conversions. Use this data to tweak your messaging and offer, ensuring your partner program remains competitive. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to promote your partner program, PartnerStack is definitely a tool you need to check out. And don't forget, you can get access to the software for free through the link below, with some exclusive bonuses just for you. With PartnerStack, managing and scaling your partner program becomes not only easier, but more efficient, giving you the power to focus on growth. Go ahead and click the first link below to grab your free trial and start promoting your partner program with PartnerStack today.